Hey, I'm Steve, and my family has this 100-year-old rocker right here that we're wanting to refinish, but we're worried about lead paint. So I picked up one of these instant lead tests from Amazon, and I figured I would just make the test and show you while I was doing it. Just so you'll know, the kit comes with 2 of these lead check swabs in the package. The directions on these swabs states that you squeeze and you crush the points marked A and B, and then you shake it, and then you rub it on the area for 30 seconds. So pretty simple instructions. The instructions state that while squeezing gently, rub the swab on your test area for 30 seconds, and if the tip turns red or pink, it means that lead is present. So once you start doing the test, if that tip, as you're rubbing it, if that turns pink or red, it indicates the presence of lead. Okay, the directions call to crush A. I'm going to crush A. Got it crushed. I'm going to crush B. Got it crushed. Now I'm going to shake it. Now you want to gently squeeze until you get some fluid coming out of the tip. And there's the fluid that you're looking for. So now I'm going to rub that on the area. So you just gently squeeze to keep the fluid coming out. And then after about 30 seconds, you're going to check the tip of this application swab. And if it's red or pink, it's going to indicate lead. So right now, I can tell you right now, I'm starting to see reddish pink, which tells me that this chair has lead paint. That's not a good thing for us, but it's good to be safe. So right here are my results. As you can see, it is red. This old 100-year chair has been painted with lead paint. Well, it's better to be safe than sorry. So if you're looking at this product, I hope you found this video helpful.